Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best Daikin Mini Split alternative in the 12,000 BTU, 20 Seer class. The COSTWAY 12,000 BTU Wi-Fi enabled Mini Split air conditioner and heater. While it's not a Daikin branded unit, its performance, design, and features rival some of the top names in the business. Whether you're upgrading your current system or installing a new one, stick around to find out why this might be your best pick. Let's start with the design. This COSTWAY Mini Split comes in a clean white finish, giving it a modern, minimalist look that blends into most indoor spaces. The indoor unit measures just 7.5 inches deep, 34.5 inches wide, and 12 inches high, making it compact enough for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. The outdoor condenser is built for durability and operates on a 208 to 230 volt setup. It's a wall-mounted, ductless solution that simplifies installation and eliminates the bulk of traditional HVAC systems. This unit delivers 12,000 BTU of cooling power and 12,300 BTU for heating, making it ideal for rooms up to 750 square feet. That means you're getting solid performance in both summer and winter. What stands out here is the high energy efficiency. It's rated at 22 SEER2 and 9.5 HSPF2. That's impressive for a unit at this price point and voltage class. It's also pre-charged and RE certified, ensuring reliable energy consumption across seasons. The inverter technology and eco mode further enhance its efficiency, saving power without compromising comfort. This is not just a cooler and heater. It's a 4-in-1 system that offers cool, heat, fan, and dry modes. You can control the temperature precisely from 60.8 degrees Fahrenheit to 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Fan speed is adjustable with 4 levels: low, medium, high, and turbo. The included remote control is intuitive, but the real game changer is Wi-Fi app support. You can manage everything straight from your smartphone for full control, even when you're away from home. Noise is minimal, operating as low as 25 decibels on the quietest settings, perfect for bedrooms. There's a 24-hour timer, which is great for setting it and forgetting it during sleep or work hours. The self-cleaning mode reaches up to 134.6 degrees Fahrenheit internally, helping maintain air quality and prolong unit life. Plus, the filter is removable and washable, which adds to the convenience and cuts down on long-term maintenance costs. This unit does require installation by a licensed HVAC technician, and that's something to factor into your planning. However, once installed, you're backed by a solid warranty: 5 years on parts and 8 years on the compressor. That gives you peace of mind that this isn't just a short-term solution, it's built to last. COSTWAY also includes the installation kit, making the process smoother for the technician. So, if you're looking for a high-performing, energy-efficient mini split that offers advanced features without the Daikin price tag, the COSTWAY 12,000 BTU Wi-Fi enabled AC and heater is a standout. From its quiet operation to smart controls, it's designed for modern comfort. For rooms up to 750 square feet, this unit punches well above its weight and earns its spot as one of the best in its class. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more real-world product insights, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.